Hi friends, this is a web series for beginners for learning how we can make money from internet. Yes, a lot of people are making online money with minimum effort. We also do not explore some. Let's see during this video some options that can be exercised to earn. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel if you like the sources. Content writing is a big thing in the internet world. There are a lot of contents required every day, day in, day out, to a lot of websites, and there are a lot of demands for this work. Affiliate marketing is one thing that has helped even bigger players to grow and sustain. Of course, the beginners also work in this respect to gain money. Dear friends, these subjects are very huge and details will be explained in the future learning series. Here we will touch upon the basic points which are required to be known for making money. Then comes digital marketing. There are a lot of aspects of digital marketing which established organizations or startups would like to start with, and they hire people for doing this. YouTube channel is a regular income for many, where you can upload videos and after a certain point YouTube monetizes your channel and a regular income starts, either from watch time or from the advertisements. Blogging is for attracting traffic to a particular website. When you know about a subject, you talk about it and people will come and read your posts. You increase traffic and then others will also follow for advertisement, and other modes of earning will start. Email marketing. Every company requires this catch. Everybody needs to reach to their consumer, and email marketing is a popular tool for reaching active customers. Creating online courses has become very popular. Many of the technical gurus are using this method for earning money in today's world. Trading in domain names. It is not that technical as it sounds. Yes, it requires a bit of future perspective, foresight to earn good, handsome money. Website development is a bit technical to start with, but once you are through to this, it's a regular income. Ebook is also similar to making online courses, but it is only a print platform in online mode. Yes, there are a lot of other options which companies do hire outsiders for continuing their services without increasing their fixed cost. This includes SEO, SEM, etc. SEO is search engine optimization, and digital media marketing are few of the tools which we marketers can do. Thanks for watching. How we can learn, earn, and we will be discussing those things in future releases. Meantime, we be well and continue earning. Thank you.